Welcome to Mystic Divine Love 2020. My name is Sonia. Thank you for checking in. This is the Capricorn energy reading for the collective. Let's get started right away, Capricorns. Let's see what you need to know today. Alright, let's see here. So you're feeling unhappy, Divine Feminine. And it's due to these burdens that you and your person are still holding on to. Which is making your how do I word that? Which is making your journey a repetition of the old. Now you could be a newbie in your journey, but I'm feeling some stubbornness energy in you. If not recognizing that, focusing in yourself will help you move forward. Because at the moment you're upset at your person from not being in his truth. But your person recognizes who you are in his life. Even though it might not seem like it. He's watching you from afar. And you are spying in your person, which is making things worse in your connection. Because you're not in your truth. You're focusing in your person not being in his truth. But this is a mirror to you of not following through your purpose, your path. And you're not even recognizing your intuition of how to go about your connection. This is bringing you tower moments so that you can stop and reflect in your foundation and to start giving yourself what you're asking from your person. Person is having sleepless nights about how to move forward, how to come towards you, and how to be in his truth. This is a repetition of your cycle, of your journey, because you're not following through your inner work, because you haven't taken the action to release these burdens that are controlling you. These burdens are people that are passionately talking in your ear, putting in negative spells, which is words, in you without you being aware. And because you're letting that happen, you're letting it go in you. And this is stopping you from focusing in yourself and following through your path, which your person is feeling. And this is stopping your person from coming towards you, even though he's feeling this passionate connection, this intense connection towards you. You're actually delaying union with yourself and union with your person by not releasing all of these burdens. And you know whom you're surrounded with that is getting in your business, telling you what to do in regards your connection. The first place, you're not supposed to let anyone influence you in what to do. If you're asking for advice, it's because you're not trusting yourself, you're not trusting your connection, your journey, your purpose. This is lack of trust and low confidence within you, which is stopping your person from coming towards you. So if you book me for any of the programs, I suggest that you book me for the Union program if you have it. Go next to the Twin Flame Master program. I will bundle in the Trust mini program and the Confidence program. Those mini programs will help you ground yourself into recognizing your connection and recognizing why you're feeling this lack of confidence within you and not trusting your connection and your journey. I'm seeing that your person is passionately wanting to come towards you, but because of your non-actions towards yourself, this is being stopped. Okay, the planets are stopping your person from coming towards you because you're not focusing in yourself. You're still letting these people passionately control you with words, with spells because of advice. You're not recognizing that are negative spells towards you and towards your connection, because you're seeing it as them caring for you, but in reality only you know how you feel about your person, and you know your journey. No soulmate is gonna understand this twin flame journey. Only when you're in it you fully understand. And if you're not recognizing as such, it's because you're not investing in yourself. You're not investing in what can help you recognize the truth of your connection, which your person is mirroring to you, of these burdens, because your person is also following people, rooted beliefs, and stopping your person from moving forward, coming towards you, moving forward towards his path. And this is giving your person a lot of heartbreak and mental anguish and stuck energy, all this negativity. all this negativity that you're holding on to your person is feeling, and vice versa. Because you and your person are energetically connected. Whatever you're focusing and whatever you're feeling and whatever energy you're giving into it, that's your person also feel. That's what your person is also feeling, and this is a mirror to the actions that he's taking at this moment, which you see them as lies, as your person not being in his truth, but you're not in your truth either. Okay, I repeat, because you're following beliefs not of your own. Okay, so now I'm gonna get you a message from the aliens to see what exactly you need to focus in at the moment, at this moment of confusion and anger. Please. So unity consciousness, your conscious awareness is limited to only the third dimension. Okay, this is what you're focusing in, the third dimension of your connection. Master program, Chakra Video Conscious Aware, Meditation and Twin Flame program, Kundalini exercise. The Kundalini exercise will bring more awareness into your reality of what you're holding on to and what's not serving you. So that's when you pinpoint to the feeling frequency that you're having onto your upbringing situations, and by having an understanding, you're supposed to transmute it so that you can then release it and embody the positive frequency that are from your wants and desires and move forward in your journey. Appreciation. Most people are appreciative. Most people appreciate the positives, but without the negatives in life, you would not know the positive. Find that positive from negative situations. So find the positive. Stop asking for guidance from family, friends, whomever you're speaking to about your connection. Go within. Connect dots with the actions that your person is taking at the moment. Stop blaming your person. All these actions of your person is a mirror back to you of what you're not facing and what you need to release. Okay. Okay, now a message from your person. This is a mirror from your own wants and desires from your person. Again, because you're both energetically connected. If you're new to your journey, check out my playlist. There you will find the full inside of your connection as a twin flame. I am trying to overcome my commitment issues. Okay, so this is you not being in your commitment of your journey. You're not committing to your journey. I feel this huge pull to you and it scares me. Okay, you're feeling this pull. This is why you're feeling anger towards yourself and towards your person. I struggle to open up. Open up to your inner heart about your connection so that you can understand and release it. Release this expectation of your person needing your person to come towards you, this codependency. Being with you reminds me of home. This is how your person is feeling, but you're wanting to control this situation, this connection. This connection is not a soulmate relationship connection. Your person always mirrors to you of what inner work you need to do. and what you need to release in your life, which is all of that what doesn't serve you. So thank you for checking in. I hope this reading served you well. Go check out my description box for the programs that will help you transform your life into who you truly are. They will help you understand your journey, your twin flame journey, and your purpose as a starseed, lightworker, and twin flame. Thank you for checking in, and see you next time.